Okay. Today I'm going to be making a plastic bottle rat trap. I'm going to use a Gatorade bottle. You're going to need a knife, 2 chopsticks or pencils, a paper clip, rubber bands, and then a corn cob poker, I guess that's what you call it. But anyways, okay. So here's how you do it. Alrighty. Plastic bottle. I've already cut it. But you're going to need to cut it, then poke a hole in it. Okay. I'm going to go to the other side. There you go. Once you've done that, stick your chopsticks or pencils, whatever you're going to use, through it. I tied 2 rubber bands together like that. So what I'm going to do is when I'm putting this second one in, this will be part of the trigger, as you will see. You put that through there and then send that on through, and okay, you're going to need rubber bands. I chose 3 just regular old rubber bands, small ones that you would make bracelets out of for my sister's kid. Okay, you want that? Okay, put that down. 3 more, okay. And as you can see now, very springy. Okay. Now all you need is your paper clip. You would like to pull this out like this. Take the paper clip, fold it like this. Pretty much just, unfold it, bend this out, and then bend this into a little circle thing. You're going to pull this through like that. You're going to pull it around like this. And this is a hair trigger the way I set it, as you can see. Okay. Side view. It takes a little bit, but you just gotta get it in there. There's a little. There we go. Okay. Then mouse, bird, whatever you want, however you decide to bait it, goes in there and it touches that pin, and boom. There you go. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.